Welcome to Avana Estate, right here in Eleko Junction by IDERA scheme. 200 units of 3-bedroom bungalow with solar power in a developed community right here in Eleko Junction. If you are a Nigerian in abroad and you are a real estate investor, this is a smart move. This is a wise move. You know the reason? You can buy and resell later before the launching date. Even after the launching, you can key in into this estate. We are going to be launching this estate March 1st, but you can be the first to own part of the 200 units right here with just initial deposit of 5 million naira. I'd like you to stay to the end of this video. Everything you need to know about this 3-bedroom bungalow, I'm going to be unveiling everything. So stay glued to the end of this video, and I have a good offer for you at the end of this video. Remember, my name is Adisa Adewale, and welcome to Real Estate Family Channel, where you can buy and you can also sell property. So this is your right channel. This is best channel. This 3-bedroom bungalow, number one, is sitting on 300 square meter of land, and it's all ensuite, and there's going to be a resort center in this estate, and it's a service estate with full security. You are going to see here. Can we check how this estate is going to look like? I'd like you to watch this video. This is the 3D of this estate, and don't go, we shall be right back. This is the sample of the 3-bedroom that is coming with chicken money. As you are seeing, everywhere in this place will be flooded with this video you are seeing right now, and the work has started massively. Can you see? This is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, and you can see a lot of foundation right here. So, and I like us to do the calculation together, because this is a juicy offer. Number one, if you type 300 square meter in Eleko Junction area, the price that you will get is nothing less than 20 million. So remove 20 million from 56 million. How much is remaining? Now remove 5 million again from developmental fee, survey fee, and deed of assignment. If you remove it, making how much? 25 million. So remove 25 million from 65 million. That is the amount you are buying this. So if you remove it, that is the amount you are buying this. So this is one of the most affordable luxury 3-bedroom bungalow you can see in Eleko area, and it's all ensuite. All ensuite. Let's talk about the price. Like I said, we have 2 bungalow, the one that comes with solar and the one without solar. So the one that comes with solar is 65 million naira, and if you don't want solar with your own, if you want to do your own solar, the price, promo price as at today before the launching, is 58 million naira. With initial deposit of 5 million, you can own one of these units and spread for good 12 months right here in Avana Estate. But if you can key in, I can tell you, this location is sweet, the price is sweet, and everything about this estate is just too good. Now, from here to Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway, can you guess how many minutes? Less than 15-minute drive to Lagos Calabar Coastal Highway. This is one of the aspects I love so much, because of the proximity. So what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Key in right now and you can own unit here as an investor and resell later. Buy this and resell for investment. This is a good investment because I can tell you in the next 3 years you can sell this place nothing less than 150 million in the next 3 years because of what is coming here. So for inquiry and inspection, give me a call right now and let's have a deal. Thank you for staying to the end of the video. God bless you and bye for now.